Hi viewers, welcome to Keys Hotel. I am Chef Bhaskar here. We have a triple layer burger which is called Keys Decker, in which we are throwing a small challenge to the foodies, where if you have all the layers bited in one bite, you'll get the burger free, where you can come and take up the challenge. So today we are going to see how we make that Keys Decker today. So for this we have ingredients like sliced cucumber, sliced tomato, lettuce, then we have mashed potato where it gives a good feel of belly filling. Then we have eggs, we have coleslaw, we have pepper and onions, then we have chicken where the patty comes with the chicken, and this is a minced chicken where we have added oatmeal to this, oatmeal, garlic, little spices, that is like oregano, then we have crushed pepper and salt. So again we have slices of brinjal, that is aubergine. For this, let us start up with making the patty. We're taking a little bit of oil. We'll take the eggs, then we'll make like fried egg, which goes into the layer of the burger. So once the oil gets hot, in this we'll add a little bit of salt on top of this and crushed pepper. Once the fried egg is done, take this separate. Then we'll go for the patty of the potato mash. We're putting in the potato mash. We have to cook it till both the sides of the potato mash gets little golden brown in color. The patty is ready. You can see a good golden brown color on top. So we'll remove the patty aside. Then we'll go for the chicken, size patty. We'll put in a little bit of oil so that it will not stick onto the pan. So the patty is cooked. So again we'll remove the patty out. The final and last part of cooking is, we'll take little oil, then the slices of onions and pepper. We'll grill these vegetables a little bit, and we have to take care that they should not get overcooked, because we have to get the crispiness of the vegetable also. So peppers are done. Remove the peppers aside. So the aubergines are also ready. We'll remove these aubergines. We'll start stacking the burger. And the first layer we'll go for the sliced cucumber, lettuce. Then we'll add little sliced tomatoes. We'll put the potato mash patty, then we'll add our vegetables that are grilled. Only thing we have to be very careful is this, the stacking of this becomes very large, so we have to be careful while stacking these. So the second layer of the bread, then we'll go for the fried egg. We have our chicken patty. Before putting the chicken patty, we'll put the special dressing that we have made, but you can go for mayonnaise, or you can go for tomato ketchup, or any dressing that is readily available in the market. You can go for that. So the final thing, we'll go for the chicken patty, and again a few layers of lettuce. Then the final thing is our coleslaw. Then comes the bun. So to hold all this, we'll pierce with the skewer and hold it with the black olive. So our cheese decker is ready. This is the burger that we are throwing a challenge to the foodies of Kerala, where if you can bite all the layers in one sink, you'll get the burger free.